The world came to an end in the fall of 2008, and ever since 2009, predictions for the economy have been recovery. It's on the way. And it's now a few years later, and we're still in the same general argument, looking for an acceleration in the economy, something that's self-sustaining. And we haven't got that. We haven't seen it yet. But today, in the pretty big run of data that appears in the first week of every month, that's fresh for the prior month, we have two things that say that maybe it's happening. The non-farm payroll number of 175,000 jobs gained is so inaccurate that nobody pays a hell of a lot of attention to it. But the two pieces that came out, one of it in the job report, first one in the job report, is incomes. U.S. wages have been growing at just barely the inflation rate now for almost 5 years. Now all of a sudden, in February, they grew at a 4.4% annualized rate. And that's 1 month of data. But 4.4% annualized is double anything in prior months going back almost 5 years. If we get that kind of sustained income growth, even if it's busted up, in which part of the economy enjoys it and another part doesn't enjoy it, it's still the best possible news. The second datum is not connected to the jobs report that came out today, but is a long runner involving total bank credit. I mean, stripped of sectorism, just the total amount of credit that the banking system brings to the economy. Total bank credit runs about $10 trillion. And all of a sudden this year, we've got a growth rate going on that, depending on how you measure it, is 7 to 9% annualized. And that's after 18 months of absolutely dead flat. We need that credit for a whole bunch of reasons, but the primary reason is to offset the Fed's taper of quantitative easing. So, do we see it in current activity? Do we see it percolate into housing? No. Are interest rates still under control? Is the Fed about to move? Under control? No, the Fed's not about to move. But the economy, maybe. Those two data points are the best data points in a long time. Thank you.